Hey everyone, so in this video I've created a quick acrylic landscape sketch. So I wanted to share with you some of the tips that probably you would find useful while you paint landscapes. One of the big mistakes that beginners make while painting landscapes is that they do not create enough variance between the colors that they use in the part of the painting that is closer to the viewer and the part that's further away. Also, if you observe, a lot of landscape paintings do not have a very complicated color composition. Usually they're just made up of simple harmony of greens, blues and earthy colors. So I would suggest that you ensure your paintings have a lot of varying tones, values and temperature with a very narrow range of colors. Also, for this particular painting I wanted to experiment a little bit with the color palette for the sky. So I have used a lot of strong bold colors for the sky. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.